Say goodbye to clutter and hello to creativity with these 22 DIY organizers you can make yourself. Save some money and use stuff lying around the house to create containers, corkboards, and organizing racks to fit your space. Denim Pen Holders. Lay out a pair of old jeans and cut the bottom of the legs off. Flip the jeans inside out and sew off the bottom opposite of where the hem is. Fold the bottom upward and add a few stitches on each side. Flip the jeans to the right side out and fold the top over to create a cuff. Attach any buttons or embellishments you'd like. Load up your new pen organizer with your favorite office supplies. Small tape roll container. For this project, you'll need the cardboard from a large roll of tape, ribbon, cork, and a hot glue gun. Place your tape roll on a piece of cork or sturdy cardboard, trace around it, and then cut it out. Attach a wide piece of ribbon to the interior using hot glue. Make sure to secure the ribbon to the edges too. Now add ribbon to the outside of the roll. Trace a piece of fabric to match the size of the inner roll and cut it out. Glue the cork to the bottom of the tape roll. Then add the fabric to the interior. Add a smaller ribbon or piece of lace to the top rim. Add more ribbon to the bottom. If desired, add decorative rhinestones or beads. Framed key holder. Remove the glass and inserts from an old photo frame and spray paint it gold. Twist in 4 golden hooks on one side. Mount your frame to the wall and use it to hold your keys. Old key rack. Grab 5 old keys. Use pliers to bend each key until it resembles a hook. Stain a piece of scrap wood in your desired color. Use screws to attach your key hooks to the wood. Then attach hanging brackets on the back. You can now use your new rack to hang your keys. Foldable makeup brush holder. For this project, you'll need a woven mat, ribbon, and a hot glue gun. Weave a long piece of ribbon back and forth through the mat, creating different size loops on the front. Cut off the excess ribbon and secure the ends with hot glue. Once the glue dries, add your makeup brushes. Roll up the mat and add a second ribbon to tie your organizer shut. Coat hanger jewelry holder. To make your jewelry holder, remove the bottom section from a wooden coat hanger. Spray paint the hanger to your desired color and allow it to dry. Screw small hooks to the underside of the hanger. Hang up your jewelry holder and add your favorite necklaces and bracelets. Earring holder. Add a piece of mesh between wooden hoops and secure. Hang it on the wall and use it to store your earrings. Makeup brush cleaner. Using a hot glue gun, add several dots and lines to a plastic clipboard. Allow the glue to dry. Now you can run your makeup brush over the board the next time you need to clean it. DIY rope bowl. For this project, you'll need a large piece of rope and a hot glue gun. Start twirling your rope, adding hot glue to secure the shape. With the bottom finished, place a bowl on the twirled rope and use the bowl as a guide to finish your shape. Cut off the excess rope and secure it with a bead of hot glue. Now you can use the bowl as storage. Rope basket trinket holder. Trace your metal can on a piece of cardboard and cut it out. Use hot glue to wrap the rope around the metal can. Wrap and glue until the entire metal can is covered. Create a handle for your lid by gluing a piece of lace to ribbon. Fold the ribbon in half and secure it to your cardboard circle. Begin attaching rope to the cardboard cutout. Use acrylic paint to create a design on the bottom of your basket. Mini bulletin board. Hot glue 2 square pieces of cork together. Then wrap the cork in fabric. Attach a rectangular piece of cardboard to the back and support it with ribbon. Finally, make a ribbon loop on the bottom. Now you can prop up your bulletin board on your desk. Cardboard organizer. Mark your cardboard in thirds and fold it to create a triangular shape. Add tape to secure the top. Repeat these steps until you've made 4 cardboard triangles. Glue the shapes together to create a large triangle. Cut decorative paper and glue it to the outside of the cardboard. Wooden dowel rack. To create your rack, you'll need a long dowel, a 46 centimeter by 8 centimeter board, and a 15 centimeter board. Find the center of your 15 centimeter board and cut it in half. Next, mark your dowel at 40 centimeters and cut. Sand your cuts until smooth. Mark your small pieces of wood and create holes with a wood spade bit. Stain all pieces and allow the wood to dry. Use wood glue to assemble the rack. With the rack finished, you can hang towels or add hooks and containers. Small board organizer. Remove the back from a wooden photo frame and use it to trace a piece of fabric the same size. Secure the fabric with glue. Add 2 long ribbons and secure them to the back of the frame with hot glue. Place the frame over the fabric and use your ribbons to organize your hair clips. Toiletry travel organizer. Spread out a soft dish towel and space out your most used toiletries. Apply Velcro tape between the items and directly underneath them. Fold and then roll the towel. Use a hole puncher to create a hole at the end of the towel. Then string a ribbon through the hole to tie your organizer shut. Button magnets. You'll need buttons, magnet strips, and hot glue for this project. Start by gluing smaller buttons to larger buttons to create a pattern you like. Add an embellishment on top. Cut down a piece of magnet strip and hot glue it to your button. Repeat until you've created the number of magnets you'd like. Framed corkboard. Remove the back and glass from a wooden photo frame. Paint the frame with acrylic paint. Next, paint the cardboard insert. Cut your wine bottle corks in half lengthwise. Divide the corks and paint each section a different color. Place the frame insert back into the frame. Then flip it over and begin hot gluing the corks. Alternate the colors to make a pattern. Metal can utensil holders. Spray paint 3 empty metal soup cans and let them dry. Tie twine around the top of the cans. Use your organizers to store silverware or pens and pencils. Cardboard organizer. Mark and cut a large cardboard square for your base. Then use the square to trace out enough decorative paper to cover it. Attach the paper to the cardboard with your glue stick. Cut 4 smaller cardboard rectangles and attach them to the cardboard base with masking tape. Once attached, wrap each outer piece in decorative paper. Use tape to secure the corners. Cut out 2 more cardboard rectangles to use as dividers. Wrap them in paper. Coat the edges in glue and secure the dividers in place. Frame decorative trees. Remove the back of a wooden photo frame, but leave the glass. Gather a bunch of twigs and cut them down to fit the frame. Some overlap at the top is okay. Paint the twigs with acrylic paint. Once the paint is dry, add glue and glitter to each tree. Use a bead of hot glue to secure the trees to the frame. Add decorative beads if you'd like. Rope framed photo holder. Hot glue rope to the wooden photo frame, starting with the edges. Then wrap the rope around the photo in neat, straight lines. Cut off a piece of rope and roll it into a circle to form an accent. Then paint it. Repeat until you have 2 rope accents. Make a bow out of ribbon. Hot glue the bow to one corner of the frame. Hot glue the 2 accents to the opposite corner of the frame. Then add small beads around the bottom corner. Heart-shaped wall decor. Paint a square piece of plywood a light color using acrylic paint. Mark the square off in 4 equal sections using a ruler and pencil. Then, using painter's tape, tape off 2 of the sections. Create stripes by painting with a second, darker color. Remove the tape to reveal your stripes. Draw a heart on a piece of paper and tape it to your board. Hammer in tack nails all around the shape of the heart. Remove the paper and tie a piece of string to the center nail. Begin wrapping the string around the nails. Once you've made the outline, wrap the string in random sections to create a web. Add a hanger to the back of the board so you can hang your new art piece on the wall.